All right, this is the Sinam Tok sister beef. I didn't show you how to grill it because everybody grill it differently. I season it with like salt and garlic powder. This is mint leaf, basil, cilantro, garlic, lemongrass, green onion, shallots, and red chili pepper, and lime. And here's your salt with garlic, and MSG is optional. And we're gonna put it here, and I'll start to mix it. So it looks like this. I didn't put all the veggies in there, but I put a lot of veggies in there, like herbs, because I like a lot of herbs. And this is the finished product. You can add fish sauce or whatever you want, but I didn't use fish sauce. So, and I forgot to put ingredient, the rice flour powder. Yeah, so you gotta add that too. And I used 2 limes for this one, make it extra sour. And we got papaya salad. Wow, this is like in English, the whatchamacallit. Sinam Tok is waterfall beef. There you go. Papaya salad, tamakung. I'm gonna enjoy dinner now.